What's going on, YouTube? This video is a sound review for the Sterling ST51 condenser microphone, which I have right in front of me. I got this microphone a while ago, and I am actually just learning the proper way to use the microphone. There is a logo directly in front of my face. Above that, there is the cardioid symbol, which is an upside down heart, and all the way at the bottom there's the Sterling Audio company name. And what I realize is that I need to have the microphone in a position where I'm speaking directly into the microphone from this angle. All those symbols and text I just mentioned should be facing me, and this is what it sounds like. I don't have any special equipment or anything hooked up to it. It's a $100 microphone available at Guitar Center. I'm sure a lot of places online have it as well, and I think it's very good quality. I can hear in the background through my headphones. I can hear my computer fan running as this is recording, but I can easily, if you know anything about mastering, I can easily apply noise reduction and cancel that sound out. Now, I have a soundboard on my phone right here, and I'm gonna put my phone in front of the microphone and let you guys hear the sound quality, as the microphone will pick it up from something other than a human voice, an electronic gadget playing a sound. So let's listen to a few sounds and see how it is. Okay, hopefully you hear that as good as I do. I think that's very high quality, and like I said, if you know anything about mastering, you can clean it up, compress it, amplify it, cut it down, whatever you need to do to make it sound really good. I'm very impressed with the ST51 microphone, and if you read the reviews, you'll see that most of the people who buy this microphone are impressed. I think you need to know how to use it. You need to be speaking directly into the logo side of the microphone, not through the top, because I was recording through the top for over a year. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Look in the description box. I have the link to all the reviews for this microphone. So check it out. And yeah, thank you for watching this video.